All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. What scenery can you see from the window of your room?
Well, when I'm in hostel, the my room is at the second story of the building. So my window, my outside of window is a lot of trees there. So I think one tree of lemon there. I think in at early in the morning, when a lot of wh- uh, I think
Okay, now listen. All you need to do, you need to link that lemon tree with the window view of your room. So
exactly
early in the morning, whenever I open the window and
window
look outside, there is that lemon tree which is very fresh on the daily basis. There are
exactly.
beautiful lemons on there as well.
And fragrance of this tree is, I think, it's different to all of the other trees. So
Okay.
I think to answer your question is the lemon tree, when I think
Whenever I open the window,
window
I
is
see the lemon tree.
tree outside
Okay,
of our
so
building.
connect your answer with the main question.
ठीक है.
Let's go on. Do you like to watch the scenery from your window?
Yes, well, I mostly I liked it that I used to watch the scenery
I
from.
usually
I
watch the
usually watch the
scenery.
scenery from my window. I think it freshens our mind certainly in the
It
morning.
freshens my mind.
My mind, and I think it also gives a bitter cleanness for our mind and for our for best feelings.
Okay, now whatever you are saying, it's generic and general. I want your answers to be specific. When
Okay.
I say, do you like to watch the scenery from your window? I love to watch the scenery from my window because it's quite refreshing. Whenever I open the window and look at the green plants and green trees, it makes me feel good. Therefore, I love the window view very much.
Very much.
Link it with that.
Okay.
One last question. Do you want to live in a house with beautiful window views?
Yes, I will live in that house. I think the outside of the of our house are uh, a lot of trees there, or in other hand,
On the other hand,
some sceneries of uh, which freshens our minds basically
okay,
when
your
we.
answer is not connected to the question and your answer is not organized one. So you need to organize your answer,
Okay.
consider the question. First and last sentences should answer the question directly.
Okay, sir.
Last sentence should link your answer with the main question, and first sentence should answer the question directly. Okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.